we've made it to Doubtful Sound, or Potea, to check out this cruise, which is 7.5 hours. Super excited.
Guys, so why the Milford Road here? To bring big machinery and equipment that was required to build hydropower station.
We made it over Wilmot Pass. Here we go. The weather is spectacular. I don't think we could have asked for a better day. It's not windy, it's clear, but there's some cloud. Amazing. we decided to get into town a little bit earlier than our cruise in Milford Sound so that we could get a free parking spot in the Deepwater Cove parking lot. There's a bunch of free parking here, but if you don't get here early enough, you're not going to get it. And if you have to drive into town, it's $25, which only covers you for 5 hours. Otherwise, it's like $10 every extra hour. So. Here we go. Let's see how this compares to Doubtful Sound. That the Milford Sound cruise is a lot less windy than the Doubtful Sound cruise, only because you have to go so quickly to get through a large amount of water, where here it's more of like a chilled out, actually quite mild out for it being like the end of June. So many waterfalls and just massive peaks, these massive mountains that completely drop off. So dramatic and so serene and beautiful. You're a little more chill. Just kind of minding your own business. Cheeky little keys. Aww. You are quite cute. Well, I think so.
That's what happens when you stopped at a red light.
Yeah, can't be too careful. If I roll down the window, it would jump in here. I'm pretty sure.